Are you tired of a toxic member ruining your Discord server? Learn how to kick them in under 30 seconds. First, open Discord and find the member list. Then, I'll show you the exact clicks to remove them. First, open Discord. Then, click on the Show Member List button to see the list of members on the right side. Now, right-click on the username or avatar of the person you want to kick. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Kick Username. Optionally, type a reason for the kick. Click Kick to confirm and remove them. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.